My name is Mike Burke, and I teach mathematics at the College of San Mateo. In the fall, I'll be teaching in London, England as part of the Study Abroad program. And I'd like to take a minute here to talk briefly about one of the courses I will be teaching. It's Math 147, Mathematics and Global Issues. I'd like to begin by asking you just a couple questions. First, what about global warming? Is this a problem or not? And that's actually a fairly controversial subject in our society, and people believe very strongly on both sides of that issue. So what do you think? Is it a problem or not? Second question, you know, we have immense needs for power in this country and limited sources, and one possible source is nuclear power. We stopped constructing nuclear power plants in the 1970s, but the question has arisen recently. Would it be a good idea to resume constructing new plants and to get more of our power from nuclear power? That's a second question. Third question, world population. Most people know the world population is growing fairly rapidly. Is that a problem we should worry about, or is it no problem at all? Most people have opinions on questions like these, but I'd like you to step back from your opinion, if you have one, for a moment, and consider something else. Given a question such as the three I named, how do we make a decision? How do we know what's really true? Most of us actually adopt the opinions of others. It may be people in our family, it may be our friends, generally it's people we respect. It could be experts. One of the problems with this is often if you're talking about experts, you're presented with two experts. They're both described as experts, and then they completely disagree with each other. And how do you choose between them? Well, as I said, most people adopt the opinions of others, but is it necessary to do that? Or can we make these decisions for ourselves? This course, Mathematics and Global Issues, is designed to teach you just that, to make the decisions for yourself. How do we go about doing that? Well, first of all, when we look at these issues, we'll start with data. Data are facts about the issue in question. Next, we need to learn to treat the data. We'll treat the data mathematically. And we'll learn how to do that in the course. And then the third important component of this is interpretation of the data. What does the data truly mean? What can we conclude from the data? So this is really a math course that's unlike any you've ever taken before, probably. Mathematics is certainly an essential part of the course. It underlies the work we do, but it's not the essential focus of the course. It's the tool that we use to think about our own thinking and to think about global issues, such as world population, nuclear power, global warming. Thinking about global issues, what better place to study them than in London, a truly global city? And your perspective on issues like this will probably broaden in London because you're in a different environment and you begin to see things a little bit differently. I think you will find this a course unlike any mathematics course you've ever taken. I think you'll find it very interesting. I would encourage everyone to take it. Even students who are strong math students and have maybe taken some calculus, they will enjoy this course as well. Of course, the course is transferable to UC and CSU. It also satisfies area requirements at both institutions, and it satisfies EGETSI requirements. So you can use this as your one course past intermediate algebra to complete your education before you transfer to a four-year school. Well, that's a brief description of the course. I hope it sounds interesting, and I hope many of you will sign up for it, and I will see you in the fall in London. Again, Mike Burke, Math 147, Mathematics and Global Issues. Cheers.